How to unlock dragon in Evony. So there are a few ways you can get dragons. One way is through the pasture over here. So you can go ahead and allow your keep to reach level 21 so you can build a pasture. So this is where you can foster spiritual beasts. The first dragon you can get is by a level 26 pasture and by using up 300,000 gems. Another is reaching your pasture to level 30, which you are going to use 1,400 dragon crystals. And another as well is to reach your pasture to level 26, the same with the first one, which was the Celtic Demon, and this one would be Jawzar. So with this, you're gonna need the dragon pattern for this one though, and to get the dragon pattern, you're gonna have to do a valuable event, which is the Wheel of Dragon War. So this event can come from time to time, but as of now, it's still not available, but eventually it may come back. So you can go ahead and do spins by using dragon soul leaves, but you're gonna have to put in mind that usually you're gonna have to actually spend an amount in order to do spins or to get even enough dragon patterns. Another way to get dragons is through the Norway Ridge of a level 1 wonder, but it's basically top 5 in the server war personal rankings. Another is level 2 of that wonder. You can do this by becoming king twice. And finally, the level 3 wonder, which is basically top 200 in the Battle of Constantinople rankings in one season. There are other dragons where you can get from excellent performance in the All-Star Battlefield, which is redeemed for 150 galaxy coins at the All-Star shop in the Battlefield shop. Another is excellent performance in the All-Star Battlefield, pretty much the same as the one just mentioned. And you also have one legendary dragon egg, and any of the dragons can be unlocked, but you can get one if you are in the top 200 in the season ranking of the All-Star Battlefield. So basically top 200 and top 50, there are dragons you can get by following that requirement. But that's pretty much how you could possibly get dragons in Evony. So some options for you, but hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.